Hey there, end cappers. In today's episode, we're not going to talk about end cap. We're going to talk about floor care and how these products can really help you when it comes to your floor care game. Stick around to find out more. So most of you that watch this channel are end cap cleaners. You're involved with commercial carpet cleaning, perhaps residential carpet cleaning. One thing we want to talk about though is, are you picking up floor care? If not, you're stepping over profit. So when we think about floor care, there's obviously laminate products, wood flooring. Our basic coatings line works well with that. Our rock candy products are a great finish for hard surfaces, laminates, that sort of thing. But what about tile and grout? Hard surface flooring, marble, travertine, even granite, polished concrete, you name it. That's where this comes in. So today I want to talk to you about Stone Pro's products, Deep Clean and their Pro Sealer. These products are fantastic because, for example, our Deep Clean can penetrate into heavy soil, heavy grout line buildup, you name it, it's going to punch through it. It has a pH of 13 and it's really formulated to easily emulsify and break down embedded soils and grout lines. So if you're cleaning tile and grout, if you've got a grungy floor, you definitely want to give Deep Clean a try. We brought it in as like an ultimate tile and grout cleaner. So if you're dealing with any type of a concrete, tile and grout, marble, granite, any type of a floor surface that's calcium-based flooring, a hard surface floor that's really impacted with soil, Deep Clean will get you there. It's going to really power through the soil. And of course it does need to be rinsed after you clean with it because it's going to leave a residue if you don't rinse it well. But get it off the floor. You're going to find that it makes it very easy to do a deep cleaning of heavy soil, hence the name Deep Clean. Now let's talk about Stone Pro's Pro Sealer. This product is such an awesome, well-rounded sealer. They call it a nano sealer. That's the technology that they've got here. What's great about it though is it can penetrate any porous surface hard flooring. So if you're dealing with polished concrete, travertine, marble, granite, even exterior. I've got it on my driveway at home. We've got nice pavers, works great. You can actually see the water beat up on it. It's just an awesome product. I love Pro Sealer because it really covers the gamut of anything that you need to seal when it comes to a hard surface floor that's porous. The rate of coverage, depending on the porosity of the floor, runs between 400 to 1,200 square feet per gallon. So you're going to get good coverage out of this gallon. Wonderful product. Using them together kind of opens the door for you to do a deep clean and protecting of the floor all together for your customers. We really wanted to keep it simple so that when our customers reach out to us, we've got products that they can work with. So I think that putting these two products together in your hard surface floor care line will really make a difference. Deep Clean powers through the soil, Pro Seal protects it after you're done. It's just one more way that we're here to help you max your not end cap, floor care here at Excellent Supply. Thanks for watching this episode. I'll put links to these products below, and if you have any questions or comments, put it down there below. If you would, give us a thumbs up, share your feedback, subscribe to our channel. We appreciate it when you do that. And until next time, thanks for watching End Cap TV.